All right, so I got y'all set up good. I got you on my girl's card right now. So I'm gonna go and pull out my generator. It is a hot day. I really hope that the sun does not make my phone overheat. Oh, and it's on the other side. So it's on this side. Yeah, so I go out in my car. You know, one of those big generators is not preferable for a car like this. It's a freaking Elantra. So here is the generator. It's not heavy at all. It's full of gas. I think it weighs like 55 pounds with everything in it. So I'm gonna go ahead, start it up real quick. Ready? Oh, sorry. Got it on run. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit before I beat on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to wear it out. So I got my pressure washer right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. Let's see. So I got the quick connects directly from the water tank. Let me actually show you guys so you can see how cool this is. Yeah, let me bring you in. Hold you guys like this. So this is my setup. I'll make a video on this too, how I made it. But pretty much it's slanted, so you can see the water level is a little bit lower on this side. On that side, that's preferable because I gravity feed the generator. Ah, damn. I mean the pressure washer. I gravity feed the pressure washer, and it comes out through here, comes actually down here, so it's actually even lower than the water tank, which is good. And then I have a little quick connect, you know, so easy access. At first, I didn't have the quick connect. The quick connect came recent, but let me tell you, I wish I did it at the beginning. I'll tell you that. So all you do, go ahead is open up the water valve and give it some air from up here so it doesn't compress the tank. I'm gonna set you guys up again. And so sometimes when you don't use the pressure washer for a while, okay, sometimes when you don't use it for a while, the the pump has to work a little bit harder to like fill the hose up. I'm running with a 50-foot hose right now, 50-foot pressure washer hose. But that's just me. When I use it every day, I really have no problem. So I used it yesterday, right? Oh Lord. I really need a reel. All right. There you go. It's coming in now. You gotta wake it up. You know what I'm saying? So let's bring you guys in so you can hear the generator, how it sounds every time you pull the trigger. Because every time you pull the trigger, you get the pressure washer running. It's gonna start going on. All right. Listen. When I tell you guys, it's not that loud. It's really not that loud, guys. Like, it's quieter than most. It's definitely quieter than a gas generator. Like, I'll put that on everything. It's definitely quieter. So, you know, maybe you're a new detailer and you're just getting into the business and you don't know how to really like hook up your pressure washer to the generator. It's very simple. It's just like hooking it up to the regular outlet in the house. You know what I'm saying? You just plug it in and you go. Oh, there's an on and off button. You got to press that on this generator. On this pressure washer. Man, I got to stop doing it. But there's an on and off button. You just press on. It's going to prime itself, whether you get in water from a hose or a water pump or gravity fed like me. You know, it's got to prime up. It's got to prime and prime and prime. So, you know, I think with a water pump, it definitely primes up a lot easier. When I run it with a hose, it primes in like 2 seconds. I don't even have to wait for all that, you know, what we just waited for. But pretty much, yeah, that's it. I mean, the generator itself is amazing. The pressure washer is amazing. So that's how it works. And here's my friend. He's pulling up right now with a little motorbike. But that's the video right there. Thanks for checking it out. And like and subscribe. Comment down what you guys want to see. Also, I'll show you guys my setup too. I'll show you guys that so y'all can see how I do it. Well, you don't need a van. You don't need a van, guys. It's preferable, but you don't need a van. But anyways, on that note, talk to you guys soon. I'll be dropping another review video on soon. I'll show you guys what it is. All right, peace out.